Welcome back, skiers and riders, to another fantastic Friday here on the slopes. It's Kevin with your Friday, November 29th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. And guess what? I hope you guys all enjoyed Thanksgiving like I did, but the best way to get rid of that food coma is to get up here and get those laps in and burn off those extra calories.
Day after Thanksgiving, the conditions here at Wachusett are great. The groomers were out last night, they killed it. Come on down.
With these lower temps that we're getting this week and into the future, possibly with a snowstorm on Sunday, we're going to expect to see some more trails open up. And guess what? These snow crews are going to be cranking out some more snow for you to ride. We still have those same 6 trails open, operated by 4 lifts up to the top. Base depths around 15 to 24 inches, and that means plenty of snow to ride. We still have that small park up on the side of Challenger, so make sure you go check that out.
Today we have 2 flat rails, 1 flat box, and a spine. The 2 flat rails are both 8 feet. One is flat, one's down. Perfect to learn feet tricks on. And then we also have a pretty flat box that's ride on. Really easy for beginners. And then we also have a spine with kegs on it for transition, just to end it off.
If anyone's looking for some awesome gear, like I always am, we have some incredible deals going on at Mountain Ski and Ride. So make sure you come on by, check out the Black Friday deals. But don't sweat if you can't make it. We're also gonna have some deals going on Cyber Monday. So make sure you check it out, get your new gear, or get some gear for somebody else. Share the love. Well folks, if you're looking for something awesome to do tonight, we still have that Hypnotic Hysteria comedy show. In the near future, we have the REI Snow Bash and the Wachusett Brewery Tapiversary Party. Make sure you go to wachusett.com and check out the events calendar for any updates or information on those events. All right, folks, that's all I have for today. For any and all updates, check our social media or wachusett.com. I'll see you up here. You don't want to miss this beautiful day on the mountain.
It's Thanksgiving weekend and we're enjoying the great conditions here at Wachusett Mountain.
Conditions are amazing. Come on out. Check it out. It is beautiful.
Wachusett.